All right, let's take a look at 60 on a weekday. We got a Volvo, BMW, we got a Volvo wagon, we got a Cadillac, a Chevy Equinox, we got a Range Rover, a BMW convertible, a Z4 Roadster, another BMW, a couple BMWs, got a Volvo XC90, another BMW, Cadillac, Range Rover, a couple more BMWs coming in here with another plane, and we got GMC, Volvo, and Mercedes, Range Rover, another BMW SUV, Range Rover, BMW, another Z4. 60's got a lot of cars. They're way more further down. Another BMW, bunch of, actually I think these are all BMWs in this side here. And go back over these in a second. Just go over to the other side here. BMW SUV. Bunch of BMWs. Nissan in the middle here. We got an Audi, two-door convertible, Range Rover, a couple more BMWs at the end. We'll come out the other side here. A couple more BMW SUVs, BMW convertible, Audi convertible, two-door, BMW SUV, another BMW, same BMW a lot. Got a Volvo, that's the V Series wagon, or maybe a cross country. Like a V60 or, I don't know if it's a, let's take a look. Is that a V60, V90? Cross country. I have a feeling it's a 60 cross country. T5, all-wheel drive, yeah, V60. And it looks like it's just got the regular stereo, which is still good. There's two optional stereos on the BMWs, or on the Volvos. Okay, we've got a BMW, Mustang convertible, a couple more BMWs. Mustang convertible. Lots of BMWs. Another Audi convertible. This looks like a Hemi Dodge Charger RT. Another Audi convertible. The Volvo wagon. Yeah, we got a couple more BMWs on a lot of, it's almost all BMWs in here. Nice looking two-door. Another Volvo. More BMWs. And we'll end it off on this side anyway, at least with the Mercedes. And we'll take a walk. They've got another section. They've got some Royal cars in the middle here. Take a walk over to the 60 section. Okay, we've got a couple more BMWs here. Range Rover, Audi convertible, another BMW two-door, BMW, Dodge Charger Hemi, BMW, we got a Corolla mixed in here, Mercedes, BMW Chevy Traverse coming up, two BMWs at the end here, and then spin around, we got another Audi convertible, a Chevy SUV, a couple more BMWs, another Volvo, and a bunch more BMWs. We've got a base model V6 Camaro, and a couple more BMWs. If you like BMWs, 60 is your place. You might want to check it out.